Okay, the bunny power right here.
Bunny? No.
Bunny power. Well, we're at an impasse that we're going to fix. We've got some bad electric motors and not really in the mood to take everything apart in the door. We don't have the weather stripping, all that kind of stuff right now.
And none of it leaks.
And
it's all in relatively decent condition. The top one's fine. It's just whatever the wiper, I think it's called. Whatever it is. It's not the ring.
So there are several people you can find online, professional and unprofessional, that will cut an access hole to get to the ginormous electric motor down on the bottom, and we are going to join that category. So that's how big the motor is.
Connectors are very weird. We tested it, the switch, all that works with that motor. So
we are going to go ahead and cut a panel. We looked at a couple of different videos and showed the measurements, and we could tack weld it back in, we could glue it back in, we can make a new panel for it. For now, we're going to start by cutting a hole in a perfectly good door.
Oh,
perfectly good.
Keep saying that word.
Perfectly good door.
You can't say perfectly good.
But because it is the Silverado, it does have that fabric piece that covers the bottom. And there's already holes. Look right there. There's already factory holes for air vents to dry. So
we'll put some more levers in.
So we are gonna do what we gotta do, and let's make it happen. We'll try not to start any fires while we do it. Start on the, yeah. Okay. Cuts have been made. More straight than that. And trying to get those corners are hard, so we're gonna go in there with something to try to prop that guy out, pry that guy out. Nothing like jagged sheet metal. And there we go. There's our motor. Good measurements. Couple bolts. Right there. Get that guy out of there. Okay. Sorry, Grandpa. There's no way. Grandpa would spend a year taking that door apart.
You would never in a million years even think about doing this.
You would never do this in a million years.
Never.
But he did help us cut 2 fuel pumps out of 2 other Chevy vehicles. So,
well, that's because that's a lot more work.
Very good. So this has the like Z-Bart weather.
Well, at least in here.
The Z-Bart weather, not weather. Down she goes.
Why are you destroying everything?
Z-Bart. Those are affordable. So you see how much undercoating is inside.
We think this could just be normal primer though.
It feels rubbery though.
It does kind of. Yeah, you're right. Maybe that was the. There's kind of a bit of an extra smoke on the inside too.
So it's, I'm pretty sure, we'll have to look at other ones.
The other 85 is done on inside all the doors and everything.
Yeah, it's hard to find one that isn't undercoated.
To the extreme.
That was such a thing back in the day, of course. So
everybody just rhino lines or bed lines everything.
I'm impressed with how nice inside that door looks.
Oh, I already knew it was gonna be like this.
So we have our new motor ready to go in. So before you disconnect the motor, pop the motor off, you want to hold the glass in place because it will drop down pretty fast as soon as you take the motor off. So we're going to wedge this guy in place. You can tape it. You can jam rubber, wood, whatever inside right there. We're going to make some pieces that will fit nice and do that so our door doesn't turn into a container of broken glass and then make us really sad. Then again, we do have other glass out of other doors we can steal. We'd rather not do that if we don't have to. So we've got our tape holding the glass. Wedge number 1, wedge number 2. We are going to make sure, and we put a glove on, and I'll stick my hand in there, and just to make sure,
There's one right here.
we're going to get, you know what, Hardy. Okay, gloved hand. Oh, I need a rebate. So where's our glass?
It's right there.
Right there. Okay, the bunny power right here.
Bunny? No.
Bunny power. Someday I'll talk about those. Someday.
Nice thing is I don't got to worry about my hands getting crushed because there's a little stopper right above them.
Hence the glove. It moved a millimeter.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, the wedges and the tape is holding for now.